batch of my cottage cheese blueberry muffins for the added benefits of moisture and nutrition. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then combine all your dry ingredients in a bowl and mix until combined. In a large measuring cup, add your milk and the cottage cheese and use an immersion blender to puree everything until smooth. In a larger bowl, mix together the brown sugar and the softened butter until light and airy, and then whisk in your large egg. Mix until smooth and then zest in your entire lemon right into the bowl. Pour the milk and cottage cheese mixture in with the other wet ingredients, and then whisk until all the wet ingredients are well combined. Add the flour mixture to the large bowl with the wet ingredients, and then you also want to add in your blueberries, and then take a spatula and gently fold in all the ingredients until just combined. Line the muffin tray with papers and divide the batter equally in the 12 cavities. Before placing the muffins in the oven, reduce the temperature to 375 Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the muffin comes out clean. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.